Guys, ito yung project natin na Jade Residences. Along lang siya ng Chino Roses, Makati City. Okay, so for ceiling is that yung construction. So isa pa na yung project, yan po yung main residences. Yan by 2026 turnover yan o 2025. So magka lapit lang sila ng Jade Residences. So yan, ito papunta Chino Roses yan. Ito naman dito papuntang Buendia, GP Rizal, itong kalsada na to. So yun, main residences. Ito naman Jade Residences. Yan. Yan, sa pinakamabenta natin project ngayon.